Jumpo TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people in today's video, we want to talk about squash, 6ixBoss, big breeze up in a them town. Some boy have to go play dues. So people by now when you supposed to know say, squash, 6ixBoss accept a plea deal and decided on September 3rd, him a go plead guilty and accept all charges. So the streets attack says squats 6ixBoss a snitch and him lose him street cred. Him lose him street credibility. But a whole bunch of people are say squash 6ixBoss no have to snitch. A whole bunch of people are say people attack and don't know what is a plea deal. And a whole bunch of people just a talk. Seeing and more than one things can be right at the same time. So on follow me reasoning. Seeing viewers and subscribers. So squash 6ixBoss plea deal now. Seeing at the end of the day, seeing how the feds work, a whole bunch of people attack. Them no follow up the feds. Them no do them research. Them no go on the feds website. If you see what go on the website, plus enough of them not even live in the United States of America, and them no understand how the federal people them work. Seeing, so at the same time, some people are say squash no inform and squash does take a plea deal so he can get lesser time. Seeing, but where people have to understand how the feds work with them 90% conviction rate, where most of them conviction rate come through plea deal because them have so much evidence and documents and them do so much investigation, proper surveillance, and them no rush nothing. Every move is a plan move and them work in a certain way. Them work mysteriously. Them will watch you for years. So every move is well planned and orchestrated. Them not just run up and down and lock up you and release you. Them will watch you for years before them run in. But when them run in, guarantee say them have a solid case because are the best people, well intelligent and educated and smart, the brightest crayon them inna the box, people with high IQ, them always are used to be federal agent. You have to take a test, physical, mental, written, well intelligent test. Them no play. So when them run in. Seen? Alright. So if squash 6ixBoss just get a regular plea deal, mean to say them charge him on 2 count. Same with the minimum around 10 years or 15, maximum of 15 to like 20. See, so if them just give him a regular plea deal and him probably do 10 years in a prison, at the same time, squash 6ixBoss wouldn't get deport and go back to Jamaica. So if him get deport, go back to Jamaica, the Jamaican government free him. His mother and father don't say Harris Chang not like the family. Harris Chang free the family, try set the father business afire, plus the father do an interview, expose Harris Chang and the Jamaican Labour Party. Only enough he to say squash talk to his mother and father and know what go on and know say that the information out there pan an interview with the nightly fix. So if the Jamaican government did a pre-him from back in the days, them are go pre-him even more. So at the end of the day, the man and his family run away from Jamaica to save him own life. So if police are pre him, bad man are pre him, government are pre him, why you thinking would I want a regular plea deal, knowing say he not safe in a Jamaica, knowing say they can dash him away in a Jamaica. So the same thing when run away from Jamaica because him life did in danger. On the field to say he wouldn't want a regular plea deal, use on the head. Think, see? So at the end of the day, the man a go want a plea deal where can benefit him, even though in court between a rock and a hard place. A man have him lawyer them where him a go sit down and talk to. This is all opinion and allegation, but me just a say, think, see? Think for yourself. So the man a go want a plea deal where him at least know say him a go accept the plea deal, willing fi snitch, willing fi inform, fi save him own life. There is no honor among thieves, and every man have to think for themselves. Remember, say no, the feds already put on a website, so them have a X6 member where inform. So if people are inform against squash, in people them say a setting get set up, so that mean to say friends are inform pan him, a snitch pan him, a cut for them own a deal, fi save them net back. Why on you think him now go cut deal fi save fi him net back as well? Cause them already name him as a transnational gang leader. So the man a go want a package. The man a go want a real deal. And no McDonald's meal deal, or no KFC meal deal, or no Burger King meal deal. The man a go need a real deal where him know say even if him do 10 or 15 years in a prison, however how much time them give him wouldn't want at least know say him get a asylum and him at least safe in the United States of America, or him at least can go in a witness protection program where them can send him a some other country. Remember, the family said the man life in a danger and the whole family in a danger at Jamaica, and them a get them have to run away from Jamaica to save them life. Why on you think the youth would want to go back in the same situation? Him now go think about street cred right now. Him a go think about saving him own a life, cause him knows if he can go back a Jamaica problem did it. Is either him a go turn up the crime, defend himself till them dirt him, or him a go prison, or what go happen to him. But the family done and make you know say there's a bull eye pan the family back. The family a get pre. That's why them run away. So if him can't strike a deal and tell them say him willing to give up some people and see, and him will also would like to get asylum when stay in the United States of America after 10 or 15 years, that would be a good deal for him. Seeing, and when time you in a plea deal, seeing at the end of the day, no, if him get a regular deal, them can't send him anywhere. Them want to send him right now. El Salvador, South Africa, plus the United States sign a deal with 12 other countries for host illegal people and criminal. So if them facility overcrowded, which it is overcrowded now, them have to build new facility, and enough of them facility the illegal people are got there and criminal. Who know where him a go end up? Him can end up at El Salvador, South Africa, or anywhere. So him have to try get a solid deal. So him a go give up some people. He man not care about street credibility right now. Right now, the youth are think about him life. So a regular deal, him a go doing time and go back to Jamaica, which he have to deal with. He apps them, he enemy them, plus him have to go worry about the Jamaican government. Who knows who are going there in a power when him get deported? Plus the Jamaican government already approved him. The Jamaican police them did fi come up and testify. So anyhow the case did go court. The Jamaican police and government did willing to testify against him. So when him hear them the information, him have to take a plea deal. Everything will happen in Jamaica and him get caught up in a Jamaica, I go show say he is a serial criminal. He's a person that's always getting into trouble with the law. The same thing will happen in Jamaica, it happen in the United States. So the same type of lifestyle him a go proclaim. So that's why the feds did go use the Jamaican government and police force to testify against him. So that would have further sink him. So when him look and him see everything against him decide to accept a plea deal. You know, say the feds no play, and the feds always have them duck in a row. But the feds no want go court. Reason being they no want pay a judge, pay a lawyer, and have to spend money during court. But if you make the feds go court and have to spend money, use up them resources and waste them time, them are going to throw the books at you. So if the maximum time they can give you 30 to 40 years without parole, a hit you are going to get, them now going to have no leniency with you again. So it's better to take the plea deal. But at the end of the day, if them label him as a transnational gang leader, enough people in Jamaica attack our people on the internet attack. Them no understand. Say in a 2025 Congress, there's a new bill where the president have a new bill now where them have the bill become a law where all transnational gang leader and them people is now known as terrorists. So when you not understand the level where 6ixBoss is depend as a transnational gang leader. Remember the governor for Florida put out certain serious laws and a deal with criminal wicked from 2024, even before Donald Trump took office. So enough people attack and not understand the state. Every state in the United States of America is run like a country, and every state have different laws. And there is certain laws where the feds have where you was right across the United States of America. But when you come to a state like Florida where now Plea right now and I deal with illegal people and criminal people on a different level, them are throw the whole book at you. This is not New York or California, certain states where a sanctuary state where if you're illegal, the governor and them kind of mayors them kind of look out for illegal people away. That is not the case in a Florida. Every illegal people where used to live in Florida lift up and take with themselves. Enough yard people where did that Florida when not straight off a runway. Florida now play when it comes to laws, crime and being illegal. Florida now play. But at the end of the day, you have to understand, if them look upon 6ixBoss as a transnational gang leader, enough connection him have to have, and enough things him have to know, and enough people out there, the feds them want. Only thing the feds are going to have 6ixBoss phone with all the information in our phone with pictures, videos, him a bus shot, the same gun them where they in a music video, in a phone, and all of them information. They only think them a go hold him and just let him go so. Only think them a go gleam a plea deal just so. At the end of the day, yes, them now want go court, go spend certain money, but them know say the youth have the sauce and them have receipts information in our phone, certain people where him a link with. On the thing say, them a go through phone, reading text message them having phone call them, record from the Chrome detention center. Also, them have information from the ICE facility and the FBI facility when getting phone call, who him a talk to. Them already have people on spot, or Jamaican police and them thing there, for decode everything when say, the language, the code them, the lingo, the patois, certain code where you're using at the streets, and them have officers a go break down everything. So when them go through him phone and them see the whole of them information there, what thing them a go do? Remember, same lawyer, sit him down, talk to him, make him know when him a face, make him know when up against. On the thing the brother a go, them just a go give him 10, 15 years, so when them see how much contacts in a phone, them want to know when get the chip for put in the chip Glock. The chip we're going at the chip Glock is illegal, and it is illegal right across the United States of America. Police them afraid of the chip Glock because now it become a machine gun. Seeing you can put certain clip on it where hold 32. You can put a next one on it where hold about 50, where in a less than a minute that empty. Even the police, them afraid of it. Machine gun is for war. So you're not supposed to dip on the street. So them want to know who are the supplier, who out there are make and distribute them thing ya right across the United States of America. On the need to go up on the Fed's website and read the documents. The United States is not like Jamaica. Every information is on the website. It is public information. Even the body cam of the arrest, they will put it up on the website, or you can pay money and get it before a time. That is how the United States of America run. All of them think they are public information. So them now go hold him and just give him a plea deal. So them are go milk him to see how much more people out there when can talk about who connected to this, which government of Jamaica corrupt, which police corrupt, which people are worth corrupt, who a sign off for certain tool go through. Them a go squeeze him and them a go pressure him and them a go put him back against the wall and try get as much information as possible. So if the man snitch and in talk, even when street cred a go gone, either way, the man a go look out for what's best for him now. And him lawyer go tell him say, think about yourself right now, cause in the paperwork it sure say I'm wife by the tool. So if him not accept the plea deal, them a go pressure him wife as well. So him have to take the time and do the time, cause I think them probably have kids together. The kids them, if them have kids together, the kids them a go want their mother and father. If them not have no kids together, but the woman have kids, the kids are gonna need their mother and father. So have to man up for the woman as well. But them are going to squeeze him for information. Look on 6ix Katashi as well. Him have to snitch against his whole crew and he give up him whole crew because him a look on like 50 years in a prison. So no man now go do no time for no man. All where them no ask you, ya go tell them. All where them no want know, ya go tell them. And enough local things out there them no know about or them can't solve or them no have them information there, you have to go start give up information. So anybody where say him not snitch or him not talk, allegedly a fool no opinion. Everybody entitled to them opinion. Opinion is like a ass. Everybody have one. But people must read the information on the website because him lawyer file if he have certain things in the case be a secret. Them never want certain secret to come out. So Squash 6ixBoss lawyer file a motion to get certain things in the case. Silence and them never want it to be known to the public. Them want it to be secret, and the judge said no. Public information. So enough more information are gonna come out, especially for September 3rd, when him accept the plea deal and plead guilty. He accept it already, but when he go court and make it officially and say yes, in guilty, then we are going to know if he more get 5 years, 10 years, 15 and what. But at the end of the day, Squash 6ixBoss no want to go back to Jamaica, cause in having a song say how much body in run left for Jamaica, and Jamaica, likewise the United States, now I use your lyrics against you. One time it was just lyrics and art and how you live and so. No, remember Keep Rich do a song, a big up a certain area leader, and he get charged for it. So that mean to say, if him get a regular deal when doing time and get deport, the Jamaican police and government are going to wait for him, especially in a Montego Bay, St. James. Remember me do a video where the man say, the police commissioner down in Mobile say, they make certain progress, crime and violence drop in a Montego Bay, St. James, and them are going to keep it that way. The police them say them are pay attention to Squash 6ixBoss case. So if him get deport, them are running right away, because Jamaica are going a different direction. The people them tired for ball, crime and violence, they want dash with that. Enough of the done them I get dash way. So at the end of the day, if him snitch, him have to snitch for what best for him. If him inform, him have to do what's best for him, because there's no honor amongst thieves. And if person snitch and inform for him, why him a go be loyal? So at the end of the day, yes, him can snitch for a certain top man and then probably put him in a witness protection. Send him to Africa, send him to Brazil, send him anywhere in the United States. But then we work with him if him a work with them. If he can give up some big name and call up some top man name and expose some top man, yes, the deal I got sweeter, and him probably do less time in a prison, and him I go do probably get asylum, probably them all look out for him. So if him work with them, look out for them, give up the information them will look out for him. Give him asylum. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Jump Out TV production. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The video here is not for bad mind or glad to Squash 6ixBoss down prison, but for educational level. Young youth, learn from my video here. I'm out.